Are you starting to find reading a bit easier? I hope so. Let's carry on with the next lesson. Have a look at the right-hand side of the page and let's sound the words out together. Say the sounds and the words with me. B-A-G, bag. B-I-G, big. D-A-D, dad. D-I-G, dig. D-O-G, dog. G-A-M, gum. L-O-T, lot. M-A-T, mat. M-A-M, mum. P-E-G, pig. P-E-N, pen. P-I-N, pin. P-I-T, pit. S-I-T, sit. Now let's read the words in the block at the top of the page. These are words that we need to learn and practice to make reading easier. Has. I. Remember, I is always spelt with a capital letter, whether it's at the beginning of a sentence or in the middle of a sentence. In. What. Is. He. She. The. Am. On. Great. Now let's read the sentences on the left, starting at the top. I dig dig a lot. I dig a lot. I dig a pit. I dig a pit. A pit is a hole in the ground. I dig a big pit. I dig a big pit. I sit in the pit. I sit in the pit. What am I? What am I? I am a dog. I am a dog. Mum has a pin in the bag. Mum has a pin in the bag. She has a peg in the bag. She has a peg in the bag. The bag is big. The bag is big. Dad has gum in the bag. Dad has gum in the bag. Gum is short for chewing gum. He has a pen in the bag. He has a pen in the bag. The bag is on the mat. The bag is on the mat. Well done, and keep practicing.